Questo è Winston con il suo pappagallo.
Now, are you ready? Okay, you ready? Okay. Wait till I tell you when you're ready. Wait till I tell you. Now, did you know that drugs are bad for you? You shouldn't be doing bad drugs. Especially meth and cocaine. And heroin and all that other weird stuff. Just smoke some weed. Sticky, 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 icky, icky. You ready? Let's go. Cocaine for sure will take you to the curb. You got to double up. You thought you made a killing. The next thing you know, you found yourself illin'. You're asking for a match. You like that? That's why you... That's the way your drawers wasn't fitting too tight. That's why your drawers wasn't fitting too tight. That's why your drawers wasn't fitting too tight. Good work. Thanks a lot. Okay, that's enough. Okay, thank you, guys.